Hey guys, it's Mia whatever back with a new video. And this is going to be a tutorial on this eye look. Now, never mind this dry ass weave on my head. I have since revamped this wig and I will show you guys that in a different video. But let's get started. So I'm going to be using the Alter Ego Goddess palette for this look, and I think I have one other video using this palette. I am obsessed with green, like green is my favorite color, and it just so happens I have brown eyes, and green on brown eyes looks amazing. So, I've been doing a lot of green looks lately, and since Christmas is pretty much like in a couple of days, I thought this would be a perfect video for those of you out there like myself that prefer more of a deep, sultry kind of look for the holidays rather than that light bright stuff everybody be wearing. So I'm giving you some smoking a pancake. And like I said, I'm using the Alter Ego palette, and unfortunately, because I don't know, my life is in shambles, I did not film the swatches like I usually do. Like, I really need to start getting that into my routine. After I do my looks, I need to remember to show you guys the palette, but I will leave a link down below to the Alter Ego website if you want to check them out. I do believe the Goddess palette is still in stock, and they have a new palette called Aurora, which is a dupe for the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, I believe. So I might get my hands on that. I don't know. But the Goddess palette so far is like my favorite palette ever. Like, I love it so much. So basically I was applying the browns on my outer corner and lighter browns in my transition area. And then you just saw me place some black lipstick on my eyeball. And that's going to act as a base for the eyeshadow that I'm using. Like I said, I don't have any swatches. I don't even remember what colors I used. But when you look at the palette, I'm sure you can figure it out. Like, there's so many looks you can do with this palette. So yeah, just take a look at the palette and you'll probably be able to figure out what I used. But so I used that on top of the black lipstick, and then I'm going in with my transition colors again to make sure everything is blended. I'm really trying hard to take my time and blend my eyeshadow, because I know some of these looks be looking harsh as hell, but honestly, I don't care. I'm not a makeup artist. I just do this for fun. So I am growing, I am evolving my techniques, and you guys just happen to be able to watch me do that. So for my bottom lash line, I'm going in with this NYX eye pencil in the shade Olive. It's a matte eye pencil, and then I'm going to set it with the same green that I used on my lid. And then I'm going to blend it out with the browns that I used. Now, I take my lower lash line really low, so I did end up having to clean it up using some makeup wipes. I don't know if that's going to be in this video, but as you can see, I smoked it out really, really low, but I ended up cleaning it up later. And then I'm going in with a brown eye pencil from Milani and tight lining with that and placing it on the outer corner of my bottom lash line and kind of mixing it in with that NYX Olive eyeliner. It's a very simple look. This look does not take a whole lot of thought. It's pretty much like all my other smoky looks. I just love how it turned out, so I wanted to post it. Alright, so now we're almost done. So I'm going in with my liquid liner from Kat Von D, and I'm making a tiny little wing on the outer corner of my eye, because the outer corner has brown eyeshadow on it anyway, so it wouldn't really make any sense for me to put a wing liner because you wouldn't be able to see it anyway. Then I went in with my mascara, and then I'm applying this green sparkly shade that you see on my top lid. I applied it to my bottom lid as well. And there's only one green sparkly shade in the palette, so like I said before, I'm sure you can figure it out after you look at the palette. And then I'm going to apply a greenish goldish shade on my inner corner. And that's pretty much the look. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me, and I hope to see you in the next one.